Hi, I'm Rory. Hannah, take it away.
Your aunt. Yes, please.
For like 4 hours, I just woke up.
No!
What can I say?
I want everyone.
What can I say? In every dimension. I know. It smells so good. You guys, looking so gorgeous in front of the roses.
You can't sit on the grass in Chapel Quad. You can't sit on the grass in Old Quad at any point, and Rocco's Quad doesn't have any grass. And there's a quad over there, but nobody knows what it's called.
No, we don't talk about this.
That's why we don't talk to them. How's our boy?
I like to say to the camera that I hate myself.
My back hurts from rowing.
This is my favorite pigeon. He only has 3 toes on one of his feet. Me too. Such a good student.
She still doesn't know I missed my deadline.
It's fine.
It's okay.
Just listen to the camera.
Otherwise, how will I honor DJ Squirrel?
How in the world will you ever do it?